Hey guys, it's Mike from Terrestrial Imaging, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Airdata from within an Autel controller. Okay, first thing we're going to do is open a browser and type in airdata.com/AD. You'll see builds appear on the left, and you're going to click the most current one and hit OK. This will download in the background and a pop-up will appear, and hit open. This will open the package installer. Hit just once or always, and then it'll ask you if you want to install. Hit yes, and then it'll start installing Airdata onto your controller. Once it's installed, you could open it, and you'll see Airdata opens, and then you'll just be able to log into your account. And then if we want, we could go into the main screen and then move the app into the home screen. If that pop-up didn't appear for whatever reason, you could just go to your settings, go to storage, click on files, and under downloads, you'll see that's where the APK downloaded to. And then you could just simply click on it from there, and that will open the package installer.